morning, guys. I was just watching the best phone test and I was like, I need to make a video. But I don't know what to do for today. Tomorrow, I have a great idea what I'm going to do. Didn't make a video on my birthday, I know. I need to go in a minute, guys. But make sure to check out Ollie Kate Meekins, Callum Creedon, Crawford Meekins, and Terry Meekins. Bye!